What if I told you? Somewhere on this highway, a man is living inside a $400,000 machine, not just driving it, living in it. This is the Volvo FH16 Globetrotter XL, and it's the truck that redefines what life on the road feels like. Most people picture trucks as noisy, greasy, cold metal boxes. But this is a rolling apartment, a luxury mattress, blackout curtains, automatic climate control, a fridge for midnight meals, storage for your clothes, and silence so deep it feels like home. Because when you're 800 miles away from your family, sleeping at a truck stop in the middle of nowhere, and waking up to another day of endless asphalt, a space like this isn't a luxury, it's survival. Volvo didn't build this to impress. They built it so that the people who never stop finally get to rest. From behind the wheel, this doesn't feel like a truck. It feels like the cockpit of a private jet. Digital screens, touch control systems, adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, and safety tech that reacts before you even blink. This truck doesn't just carry freight. It protects the one person who matters most, the driver. Volvo knew drivers spend more time here than in their homes, so they turned this space into something more. A fold-out desk for logging routes, storage for clean clothes, ports to charge your phone, tablet, or even watch a movie. Everything you need to make the road feel less like punishment and more like peace. Outside, the world keeps moving. Snow falls, trains scream by, other trucks rattle and freeze. But inside the FH16, you're warm, you're quiet, you're human again. Volvo didn't design this truck with just steel and tech. They built it with empathy, with comfort, with respect for the people who deliver the world. Trucking isn't easy. It's exhausting. It's isolating. It's hours of stress, traffic, and weather you can't control. But when your truck gives you space to breathe, a good night's sleep, and a moment to feel proud of what you do, that's not a machine, that's a companion. Yes, it costs $400,000, but it earns every dollar. A 16-liter engine, over 700 horsepower, towing capacity for the biggest loads. But it's the cabin, not the engine, that drivers fall in love with. Because while the outside moves freight, the inside saves minds, backs, and broken routines. So the next time you see a Volvo FH16 rumbling past on the interstate, don't just think about what it's carrying. Think about who's inside. A man or woman, far from home, carving their way across the world in something that finally treats them with respect. If this gave you a new appreciation for trucking, hit like. If you want to see more machines that move not just roads, but lives, subscribe to Drive Vault. We tell the stories that engines can't.